chose the wrong color for the vinyl to wrap the wings and everything back for almost 3 weeks, because I had the road trips, the trips with the DeWALT and everything, and then the HDC. So coming back, decision was made to just paint them. We did get a custom, the color of the car with special ABS plastic coating and underlayer, so the color sticks to the plastic, because usually the plastic is too shiny and doesn't have a lot of texture for the color to stay this year. Then also we are waiting for our new wheels to come, because we have the rear ones but we don't have the front ones. We are also waiting for the new tires. And then we have the overcoat. Just a small disclaimer, I'm not a professional painter, bodywork, whatever. This is just hobby, and this is just for me, myself, building my own project. And I'm not sure if this is the correct way I'm doing it, so please don't do the same thing as I do here, because it might be not the correct way. So. Now we're taking off the dust. I did my best. It's the first time I have to like refine and scratch it a bit. Now we're all set to go and go test putting the primer and see how it goes. So, plaster fix. This is something we have to put first. It's a primer. Then. Let's go. Okay, he said to me to put the first layer and the second layer in 10 minutes. So this is supposed to make the color stay better on the ABS plastic. I did, I think, around 2.5 rounds of the plastic flex, plastic foil, or whatever it's called. So now we're supposed to have to spray paint and see what happens. It should stay, it should be good. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. So let's try it. Basically, I've done the second hand also, and they gave me 8 cans, and I actually used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cans. I got 3 more, which I don't know, it's kind of, I think it looks okay already with I mean, I think you hardly can see it here, but it's pretty much blue. And now with the coating, it's supposed to give it this metal look, much closer to this. So let's hope it's close. But even if it stays darker a bit, like it's here, I'm quite okay with it. My issue was with the sticker is that the sticker was quite a lot of big, really different blue. It wasn't this kind of blue, and that's the point. It's not like, if this stays like this, I'm okay. It's gonna blend in with the livery and the flames and everything. It's not gonna do like a big difference if it's a little bit darker than this one. But yeah, let's put now the coating, and it should look metalish like this. So let's see. So the first layer is on. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. It's quite, I think the color of the car is lighter than this one, but I think maybe this is how it's supposed to be my car looking before. Anyway, not so bad for quick and run and gun so on. Surely it had to be done in a better place so it doesn't have dust and stuff like this coming from outside. But anyway, yeah, I don't care. I don't think they're gonna last a lot anywhere with the door banging and tandems and everything. But yeah, it should come out really nice here. We will see, we will see, we'll see. I'm waiting for this to dry. Pass a second hand of the clear coat, and then we can try it on. Let's take the front one, which is quite easily to pick it up. Okay, so, well, I mean, okay, I can do that. I mean, the car is how many years old? This is fresh, so probably this is the best we can do. I mean, it's not bad. Better than the other one I had. So yeah, let them dry, and tomorrow morning we're gonna put them on. In the meantime, I will do some finishing lines for delivery, and yeah, I mean, we still have to finish off, wait for our front wheels to come, then I have to finish off these guys here, close this hole here. I also have to decide, make some holes probably in the back, so I don't have to close some other holes, because I do have this space here, as you know, the BMWs, and probably even if we close here, the smoke will come here because there's a gap open on the fenders, so the smoke will go in there and go in the cabin. So probably I'm gonna have to make some cutouts on the rear trunk to let the smoke go out. Now is the moment of truth. We're gonna put them on to see how they fit and what spacers we need. Today in the morning I went to put some tires on my new wheels. The new wheels, what we get now to test is the Acelera 351. We're gonna test them out because there's a lot of hype around Acelera lately, the past 1 or 2 years. So we got the new Stroms, 17, 18.5 in the fronts and 18, 9.5 in the back. But I also do have 18 and a half for the back. So I wanted to have quite two different setups to try. One a little bit wider with 235s, and the other one gonna be a classic 225s, because this is the regulation for our Pro 2 in Greece. So yeah, let's put them on the car and see how they fit and how much spacers I need and whatever. So hopefully we're not so much out of the game. This is getting a bit tired-ish. I mean, it's getting hot here, and with the camera on the head, it's not working out really good. So what I see is they quite fit well, but I'm thinking I have to lower my suspension before putting on the next ones. So I'm gonna have to lower that to see where we are. So basically, trying to revision and think what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna change this setup, and we're gonna lower the car in the rear for 3.5 centimeters, because it's 9 and it's 12.5 from the yellow line to the floor, so the glass is raised up. So this is another thing why I want to lower it. So also I think I'm gonna step away from the mindset of having a flash set, because I want the rim to go under. So yeah, let's lower it and see how it's gonna fit. Because we do have enough trouble on the rear part here, because we cut out a lot of stuff last time. Our main goal is the front tires. The front will have to turn freely. We're gonna have to check this out also, but I think we're quite like on the limit. Here we're okay, on the front also. We're gonna have to check it out. But let's fix the rear suspension for now and move on. Jack it up again to the point where we can put tripods, and then using we're gonna go up and down the suspension to see its travel length and how much of a headroom and headspace does it have to travel. So as you see here, we're jacking up the wheel to see until where it goes, almost fully loaded. I mean, it's quite okay. We do still have a lot of space. Probably we can take the wheel more out. We also want to check how everything works and how the spacing from inside is also. There's quite a lot of gap, so we still have a lot of space to work under. So yeah.